Every great day starts with a good dump. This load is from a full demo of a garage. Somebody lit the garage on fire, so I had to come down. Very busy day today. It's 11:30. I've already made 4 dumps. I'm picking this one up to drop it and pick another one up and dump again. Tomorrow's July 4th, which means the dump's closed. It's also Friday, and I've got 4 deliveries over the weekend, so I need to make sure I'm keeping a good pace today. Can't deliver dumpsters if they're not empty. Getting this dumpster dropped off. They're doing the roof here. Got this dumpster full. At the landfill, dump number 5 of the day. That load was heavy. We came in at almost 7,000 pounds. Just got to Lowe's.